If you are a mechanical engineer graduated in non-European country and if you are looking for a job opportunities in Germany, then this video is for you. If you are new to my channel, then I like to tell you that I create informative content which is more related to the job opportunities here in Germany. I usually do my own research, I do surveys as well as I share my own experience on this channel. So my ultimate goal is to help you guys to find relevant information which might be helpful for you to get job in Germany. So in today's video, I will present various mechanical engineering job profiles, opportunities, challenges in finding job, most effective job portals and future opportunities. So please stick to the video till end as it is going to be extremely useful video for you if you are looking for a job in Germany. So let's discuss different job profiles for mechanical engineering stream. So for example, system engineer, robotics and automation, production engineer, mechatronics engineer, design engineer, project engineer, solution design engineer and many more. So when you start your job hunt, then include these keywords in your search, study these profiles, study the requirement and build your resume accordingly. As you know, Germany is paradise for engineers with extensive number of production companies. There is a big demand for mechanical engineers in the country. On the other hand, the country produces almost 500,000 engineers every year including foreign students, out of which 8 to 10% are mechanical engineers. But the demand for good engineers is still going up and up. It is important to understand that getting a job is directly proportional to your academics as well as your experience, while surviving a job is a matter of your skill set. Most of the companies revising their policies and techniques for shortlisting the applicants. So when you ask this question, is it possible to get a job in Germany for mechanical engineer or for the matter other stream? First thing you should consider that country always give preference to the local candidates. However, employers these days are demanding for more skills and if they don't find appropriate skills in the country, then they look for candidates from other countries. So yes, it is possible to get a job, but frequency is little low. You have to possess extremely specific skills which is top match to the requirement of the job post. I have studied some of the opportunities and understood type of general requirements they have. So let me just quickly collate and present in front of you. So these are some basic responsibilities that company is expecting from a mechanical engineer, like background in gear technologies, particularly design of microgeometry and analysis of gear designs, background in NVH which is noise, vibration and harshness, create and review technical drawings, plans and specification using computer software, experience in design of components and assemblies, supporting system and lead engineers, expertise in GMP, EPCM, change management, German HSC policies and German labor law. Then some company also expect to work with cell engineering, production, factory design, quality, supply chain, production, planning, construction and other supporting functions. There are many companies which are expecting high experience with CAD softwares like Siemens NX. Some companies also expect to work with cross-functional teams to drive through programs towards a plan. Some companies expecting the experience with calendaring, lamination, coating and roll-to-roll process related to the project. Now these days, mechanical engineers are also required to have a knowledge of project and process monitoring tools like Jira, Confluence, etc. Now let's understand the possibility of getting a job as a foreigner. As I already explained you the demand for engineers as well as how the companies are changing the structure or the process of hiring. If you analyze a job market, target specific companies and you see that a company is looking for certain specific skill or role, and in case if you possess that skill along with some experience, then probably you can grab that opportunities remotely. But for generic roles and skills, company prefer in-house candidates. If you're really planning to work in Germany, then I would really recommend you to get sufficient amount of experience and build your expertise and then come to Germany on job seekers visa and give a try. Or another option is to get yourself enrolled for the further education like masters or learn German language. Now let's see mechanical engineering jobs in management positions. As an engineer, you can work in various fields, for example in technical production planning and management, in quality assurance, in construction or in machine and model construction. Many well-qualified engineers work in management positions. As an engineer, Germany offers you many career prospects. Your qualifications are in demand in many economic sectors. The field of research and development is currently experiencing a high level of job growth for engineers. There are many branches which are currently in high demand. For example, automation technology, supervision of construction planning and architecture, then automotive industry, including electromobility and autonomous driving. Then there are also high demand for renewable energies and environmental protection, artificial intelligence. In my opinion, there are 5 best places to look for a mechanical job. First, local employment agencies. The function of the employment agency is to help people for their job search. In Germany, local employment agencies are situated in nearly all towns and cities. These are the branches of federal employment agencies, by the way. Now the second place is job fairs. It may also be worth visiting trade shows, job fairs and congresses where you will have opportunity to make direct contact with the companies. The third place is personal recruitment agencies. Another alternative is to use a private recruitment agency. They hunt for a suitable job on your behalf. If you decide to use them, then please check whether the fees are applied or not. Now the fourth way to find a mechanical job is through the referrals from your network. Connect with the people who are already here in Germany and working in the same sector. Ask them for the referral, and I guess this is one of the nice way to get your profile noticed to the recruiter. And lastly, the more common way is through the job portals, which you already know. There are many job portals like Zing, Stepstone, LinkedIn, etc. You will find a lot of mechanical job opportunities there. If you want to know more about future opportunities and post-COVID market trend of jobs, then please check out this video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. Comment on this video your concern. I am happy to help. And meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye bye.